Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the beta version of Stumble Guys on PC using Steam. If you want to try out the newest features and updates before anyone else, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need the Steam app installed on your PC. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the Steam website, download it, and install it. Once Steam is ready, open it up and log into your account. Make sure you have your username and password handy because you'll need them to sign in. After logging in, head to your Steam library. This is where all your games are stored. Look for Stumble Guys in your list. If it's not there, you'll need to add it first. Got it? Great. Next, right-click on Stumble Guys and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, you'll see several options on the left. Click on Betas. This is the crucial step because it's where you'll opt into the beta version. Under Beta Participation, click the drop-down menu and choose Open Beta. This will enroll you in the beta testing program, giving you access to new features that are still in development. It's also a chance to help shape the game, since your feedback matters. Once you've selected the beta, the install option will appear. Click it, and the beta version will start downloading to your PC. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so sit back and relax. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Steam account to access the beta version of Stumble Guys. Now you can dive in, explore new features, and get ahead of the crowd. Just a quick reminder, beta versions can sometimes have glitches, so if you notice anything unusual, don't forget to report it. Enjoy playing and have fun being one of the first to experience the latest updates in Stumble Guys.